how to install Groovy on Windows Server, right? In today's session, we will learn how to install Groovy plugins, not Groovy software, on IntelliJ and Eclipse IDEs. So before we get into this topic, let us summarize our previous discussion, installing Groovy on Windows Server. So what is the prerequisite here? So before you start installing Groovy on your server, make sure that Java is installed in your system. If Java is installed using an installer, your installer is going to create Java home and path environment variables for you in your system. But if you have, in case if you have downloaded Java zip file, then you need to set these two variables manually, Java home and path environment variables, because there is no installer there. We have downloaded the zip file, so we need to set these two environment variables manually. So once you complete Java installation, you will go to the official website of Groovy, download the installer of Groovy and start installing your Groovy software in the system. Since we are using Groovy installer, your installer is going to create one more environment variable called Groovy home in your system. Which will be pointing to the home directory of your Groovy installation. So now we have three environment variables set in our system: Java home, Groovy home, and path. Let's see what these variables are pointing to from our system environment variables. Go to my computer properties, advanced system settings, under environment variables. You will see these variables: Java home and Groovy home. These two variables are set by the installers of Java and Groovy. And path. Path will have many values. Your bin directories of Java and JDK will be attached to the path at the end. So let's copy these values. So your basically here your home is pointing to the home directory of your Java installation, JDK installation. And Groovy is pointing to the home directory of your Groovy installation. And now the path will be pointing to both bin directories of Java and Groovy as well. Here you can see those values: bin directory of Java and the bin directory of Groovy. Copy this. So Groovy home would be internally pointing to this location, right? So you can just replace this value here. So now the Java home variable is pointing to the home directory of JDK. Groovy home is pointing to the home directory of your Groovy, and path is pointing to the bin directories of your JDK home and Groovy home. Now you can go ahead and start writing your scripts. You can invoke your Groovy shell. See, now the script has got executed, and you can see the output. Welcome to Groovy. So now the required environment to write the Groovy script has been set.